Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing the physical fitness activities. So, our arms and shoulders plays an important role in helping us move, carry, and support our body. To make them strong and flexible, we can do exercises that focus on the arm and shoulder. Girdle, girdle, the part that connects the arms to the body. So these activities don't just build strength but also improve balance and coordination. So below are activities we can do to develop specific parts of our body. So arms, shoulder, girdle development. So this challenge is encouraged to support our body weight with our arms and shoulders. So let us try to do the following. So first is practice balancing our weight completely with our hands. So dito, this activity helps us practice supporting our body using our arms and hands. For example, try doing a handstand with support from a wall or practice holding your body up like in push-up position. So, bakit nga ba nagmamatter yung practice balancing our weight completely with our hands? Because this builds strong arms and shoulders and improve balance. So next is do the crab position. In this exercise, we sit like a crab with our hands and feet on the floor. Then move our body around in a circle. For example, place your hands and feet on the ground. Lift your hips up and try walking like a crab backward or sideways. So dito sa number 2 is para ka lang isang crab. Or gagayahin mo yung position ng crabs. So, bakit nga ba nagmo-matter ang do the crab position? So, nagmo-matter siya because it strengthens the arms, shoulders, and legs while improving the body coordination. Meron din tayong while standing, swing one arm or leg at a time in a different direction. So, dito naman is while standing, we can swing one arm or leg at a time in a different direction. For example, swinging your right arm forward and backward like you're reaching for something or swing one leg side to side like kicking. So bakit nga nagmamatter ang while standing swing one arm or leg at a time in a different directions? Because it makes your arms and legs more flexible and loosens stiff muscles. Next is combine two limb movements like arm, arm, leg and leg, or arm leg in the same and opposite direction. So we can move two arms, two legs, or one arm and one leg together, either in the same direction or direction. For example, is swing both arms forward at the same time, or swing one arm for a while forward while the other swings backward. So another example is kick one leg forward while moving your arm backward. So bakit nga ba nagmamatter ang combine two limb movements like arm, leg, or arm leg in the same and opposite directions? Because this activity improves coordination and helps your brain and body work together. Next is meron tayong swing the arms or leg in the back and forth movement. Make it a big cycle ito, or circle. Make a big circle. So, we can swing our arms or legs back and forth in wide movements like drawing a big circle in the air. So example, swing your arms like you're pretending to draw a big circle on the board. Excuse me. Or swing your legs in a circle while holding onto a chair for balance. Bakit nga ba nagmamatter ito? Because this improves flexibility and makes our muscles move active. Next, in the bend forward position, move the arms just like what we do when swimming. Do backstroke or breaststroke. So while bending forward, backward, we can move our arms. We are swimming. Try backstrokes, or freestyle motions. For example, dito is bend forward slightly and pretend to swim moving your arms in a big strokes. You can also practice while standing straight making the same movements. So, nasabi na tayo, the upper body movement. The following activities aim to help us develop our upper body strength. So, do the push-up position. Excuse me. So, dito sa upper body movements, upper body includes the arms, the shoulders, chest, and back. These parts help us carry things, lift objects, push and pull, and even play sports. To strengthen them, here are some activities we can try. So first, meron tayong do the push-up position. So place your hands, toes on the floor and keep your body straight. This builds strength in the arms and the chest. Meron din tayong do the crab position with the body, shake your hands, leg at the time. Yun nga, yung parang sa pangalawa kanina na yung whilst yung the crab position na so sit like a crab with your hands and feet on the floor. Wave with one arm, then shake one leg at a time. This helps with coordination and arm strength. Next is to lift our feet at one time. So example, from a push-up crab position, lift one foot off the ground and hold it. This strengthens both the arms and the core muscles. Next is bound the feet up and down. So in push-up positions, bounce your feet gently up and down. This makes the shoulder and arms together. Next, reach up with the hands and touch the opposition shoulder back. So, for example, while in the push-up position, lift one hand and touch the opposite shoulder, then switch sides. This improves the balance and the strength. Excuse me. So, next is the crab walk, or walk on your hands and feet just like a crab does. Walk using your hands and feet like a crab. Move forward and backward, or sideways. This makes your arms and shoulders strong while improving balance. Next is lower our body until our chest touches the floor and then the push-up position it do it gradually. So from push-up positions, bend your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Then push up to it slowly and carefully. This strengthens the arms, shoulders, and chest. So next we have the trunk or abdomen development. Activities include bending, stretching, swaying, reaching, forming shapes. First, we have the bending in different ways. Try bending forward to touch your toes, sideways to reach your knee, or backward to look up. For example, picking up your bag from the floor or reaching down to tie your shoelace. Then next is let us do these steps to see how much we can. So, meron tayong bend in different ways. Next is bend as many body parts as we can. So, example, bend your arms, knees, and back at the same time to form the different shapes. Next is bend more body parts to make different shapes. Squat by bending your knees while reaching your arms forward, or bend your elbows while keeping your legs straight. So next meron tayong um next is the stretching. So stretching makes our body more flexible. It helps us move easily without feeling stiff. When we stretch, we lengthen our muscles so they become stronger and more relaxed. So, keep one foot. So, may activities tayo dito. Let us do these steps to see how much we can with the bodies. Keep one foot in place and stretch our arms in different directions, then move the free foot. So lie on the floor and stretch our legs in an opposite position. So for example, lay down flat and stretch your thigh leg forward and left backward like doing a split on the floor. Then stretch as slow as we can, then snap back the original position. So slowly reach your hands up, then quickly return them to your sides. Next, we have the stretch with different arm leg combination in different actions. So stretch with different arms and positions in different actions. So example is stretch your right arm upward while your uh, left leg goes to the side. Next is combine the bending and the stretching movements. So stretch your arm upward while your left leg goes to the side. Ay, naulit pala yung strand with different arms leg. So nasa combine the bending and stretching movement na tayo. Combine bending and stretching movement, bending forward to touch your toes, then stretch your arms wide to the sides. So next is we have the swaying and twisting. Sway our body back and forth in different directions. So example is stand straight and gently sway forward, backward and side to side like three moving in the wind. Next we have sway our head from side to side. So for example, slowly tilt your head to the left then to the right like saying no. And stand one foot and twist our body. Balance on your right foot while twisting your upper body left and right. Then, while seated, make different shapes by twisting. So, example is sit on the floor and twist your body to the left, then to the right while making circle or wave-like movements with your arms. So, meron din tayong leg and cardiovascular development. Activities for leg and cardio our respiratory development includes the following. So first, run in different directions. Ay, ulitin ko pala. Leg and cardiovascular development, um, the legs are important for running, jumping, and moving around. The heart and lungs also get stronger when we do leg exercise. So this gives us energy and help us stay healthy. So meron tayong run in different directions. For example, run forward, backward, and sideways to practice quick changes. Meron din tayong run in place. Stay in one spot and run as if you are jogging without moving forward. For example is nagja-jogging ka pero nandun ka pa rin kung saan ka nagja-jogging. Kumbaga dito ako nagja-jogging ako, hindi ako umaalis ng pwesto, nandito lang ako, nagja-jogging lang ako. Yun ang tinatawag na run in place. So, run and then stop, run across the room, then suddenly stop when the teacher says freeze. Parang laro na to. Then next is do jump or hop in different actions. So hop forward, backward, or sideways using one or two feet. Then last is jump or hop in different directions. do rope. So jump repeatedly over a skipping rope for 20 to 30 seconds. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for listening and watching.